How to log into your Temu account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Temu on your device. Search temu.com in any browser. Then you'll find Orders and Account at the top. Simply click on Orders and Account at the top in the dashboard, which will open this kind of page. To log in, simply click on these options: email, phone number, Facebook, Apple, or Google. I have Google account, so I'll simply click on Google. Then simply click on the account. After that, simply press on continue at the bottom. It will load for some time and directly logged in to the account. And this is how to log into your Temu account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.